Some of you are asking about how do you create a screencast to complete this week's project. There are several different programs out there that you could use. You could use Screencast-O-Matic. There's a free and a premium version. There's Screencastify that you can use with your Chrome browser. And again, if you want to go premium, you have to pay for that. And then there's also one that I'm using right now called Flashback Express 5. It does have a pro version that you pay extra for, but I'll be honest with you, the free version does everything that I really want it to do. It does require a few extra steps, but as you can see, it's going here, and then all I would do, now I'm using Windows 8.1, so it's going to look a little different than what you're probably used to with Windows 10. But let's say I bring up my PowerPoint and I create my presentation. I go through my presentation, etc., etc., etc. I just want to bring up the PowerPoint so you can see it. And then when I'm done, all I would do is hit the stop button here. And then the Flashback Express brings up this thing to preview it. Once you're done with that, then you go to the top left of that screen, and I can't show you right now because it would cut off the recording, but you would go up to File and Export, and you'd export it as an MP4. Very important. An MP4 file, and you would just save that to your desktop. It's that MP4 file that I then can upload to YouTube for free. And once I upload that MP4 to YouTube, YouTube creates the link, and that's the link that I'm going to share with the class. So I hope that helps a little bit. I know it's a little bit complicated because there are several steps you have to take. And I know PowerPoint also has some, has the ability to add sound to it. The problem with the PowerPoint is it's not creating a link and it's not being stored. So therefore, by doing it this way, you get that link on YouTube that you can share with the class. And so I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I'll try to make it clear. But I'm hoping this does clear up some of the issues and questions that you have. Have a fantastic rest of the week, and I look forward to seeing your presentations. Talk to you later.